Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure your Realme P3 is updated and the Google app has microphone and screen permissions. Once done, open the screen you'll search, an image, text, or app. Next, activate Circle to search. Press and hold the gesture or assistant trigger you configured. If not configured, set it in Settings Accessibility Shortcuts. Make sure notifications won't block the screen. Then draw a circle around the target area with your finger to start capture. Once the initial capture appears, refine what you searched for. If the circle included extra background, pinch to zoom or drag the crop handles to focus on the subject. This improves results. You'll see a preview and suggestions such as translate, identify, shop, or copy text. Pick the action that matches your goal. If you need text only, choose text mode to get selectable text. Otherwise, use identify or shopping to find products or similar images. Make choices to narrow results. To finish, examine the results and tap any item for details, links, or actions like copying or visiting a product page. If results aren't useful, recapture with tighter framing or different lighting. Repeat until you get a clear match. You can save or share findings directly from the results screen. If Circle to Search fails to start, make sure Google and Assistant permissions include screen capture. If that's set and it still fails, restart your Realme P3 and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.